missed it.
You missed what?
You're filming? I missed the boobs.
Wow.
This is what my life is.
Don't delete this one. I like it.
This is what happens when all of us go into Chili's.
Norks for life.
Thank you. What was that?
We are Norks for life.
And Ileana got her makeup done today at Sephora. It looks all pretty.
Oh God.
She looks adorable.
And she looks better than adorable.
I just want to tell you that you guys are my best friends in the world. I don't know what I do
You
without
haven't even had a drink.
I know, but I'm professing now.
No, but you haven't even had a drink. I mean, that's the kind of thing that you said when you've had a
No, but I'm
drink.
just saying.
She had tea whenever this started.
No, but I'm just saying, like, you guys are really my best friends, and I
know. Would you put down the sharp knife?
Oh my gosh, she has a sharp knife.
What? Okay. No, but I'm being
Wow, that
serious.
was nice.
Mine's wet. I don't
Do that again?
I'm being serious. You guys are like,
That's not what I was talking. Okay.
you guys are like being sisters.
Yeah.
You guys are my sisters.
How do I exit?
Give me that.
I have 8 sisters.
I have about 7 sisters.
Miles. What did you do to my camera?
I don't know.
Oh, you did that thing. Let's see, I have 4
You should
sisters,
almost run you
and then I have
I just clicked the button and I'm like
3 of
on
you
that.
and then
You
Angela.
realize what
No,
you
wait,
did?
that means I have 9,
Same thing. What?
including Randy.
Randy's cool chick, yo. No, I seriously have about 7 sisters.
In real life?
What?
I have 4 in real life. 4 sisters.
No,
My
wait,
nails
hold on.
are done navy.
4, 5. No, I got that wrong. 5 sisters. I counted myself and my brother.
Sister.
My father has 7 kids. That's where I met. I have 5 sisters. I have
You do them
about
yourself, right? Where do you get your nail polish?
CVS.
What color is that?
There we go.
Like, where's it from?
It's Pedal Pusher,
By the way.
and it's from Sally.
No, look, seriously.
Sally Hansen?
Yeah.
I love Sally Hansen.
Fast
This is
dry,
from
fast
Hallie's.
dry. It's a fast dry one. It dries in 60 seconds.
Do you have the one that
Not the pen, the actual bottle.
This is the pen. This is from the pen.
Depends, like the underwear?
You are so weird. Oh my god.
And you guys love me for it.
Yeah, I know.
Anyways. Anyways. I have about. Anyways. 5 stepsisters.
Anyways.
4 stepsisters.
I have 1 stepsister.
Half sisters.
Oh, 4 half sisters.
I have one sister.
Not stepsisters. Half sisters.
One sister.
Uno.
Half of her? My
One that,
father.
the only one that's actually blood related.
3 of them are from
looks more
one
like my dad, and it's
mother.
kind of scary.
Wait, what?
My sister looks like my dad, and it's scary.
I don't look like my
I'm
dad.
so hungry. Yeah, I mean.
Wait, let me see if I can get my father's picture from Facebook on this thing.
What?
What?
And
What? What? What?
yeah, you said that you dyed your hair blonde, and it looks more red than.
I told you it looks red. What? 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 What?
Enough.
Her hair looks red. She's not a blonde.
You're right.
It does not look red. That was weird.
Tiny bit red.
No. Let's see red.
We should all be redheads for the summer.
I was gonna dye my hair
Besides
burgundy
Oh my God.
brown. But it's good
Has
red.
similarities.
good.
Yeah.
Creepy.
What do you think? Hey, you liked it when me and Randy were redheads.
Yes, but your hair looked purple.
It did not look purple.
I was a redhead for my senior year for high school. You remember? Just take out the yearbook class picture. My head is red.
Oh.
This is natural red hair. Thank you for the new look. Oh, look at how pretty it looks. Okay. And on that note, I'm gonna go.